How to adjust volume without the volume buttons on Android. So adjusting volume without the volume button on Android is quite easy and simple. For that you can go to the settings on your Android device. Once you're on the settings page, select sound and vibration. And once you're here, you can simply see the media. So with the help of the slider, you can simply adjust your volume. If you wish to increase the volume of your media sound, then you can increase it in this way. Simply let's open any music and let's play the music. If you want to increase the volume of this music, you can simply again go to the media slider and let's increase it. Now let's play it. As you can see that the changes has been made and we have adjusted the volume. Also, if you wish to adjust the ringtone sound, then you can increase or decrease it with the help of the slider. For now, let's keep on vibrate. So you can also increase the notification sound of any app that you wish to, but the ringtone slider must be not kept on vibrate, it must be increased. Also, you can adjust the notification slider and the alarm as well. So in this way you can simply adjust the volume without the volume buttons on Android. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.